These are the most powerful warships ever built, floating cities that can launch fighter jets, dominate the seas, and stay operational for decades without refueling. This is the power of U.S. Navy aircraft carriers. U.S. aircraft carriers are the largest warships in history, stretching over 1,000 feet long, making them bigger than 3 football fields. Unlike conventional ships, they are powered by nuclear reactors, allowing them to operate for more than 20 years without refueling. This gives them unmatched endurance, keeping them at sea for extended missions across the globe. These floating airbases carry an entire fleet of aircraft, typically around 60 to 75 fighter jets, helicopters, and surveillance planes. Launching and recovering these aircraft is a highly coordinated operation, with powerful catapults slinging jets into the sky and arresting cables, catching them as they land on the short deck. The newest carriers, like the Gerald R. Ford class, have replaced traditional steam catapults with electromagnetic launch systems, making takeoffs smoother and more efficient. An aircraft carrier is more than just a warship. It's a self-sustaining city at sea. With around 5,000 personnel on board, it has everything from medical facilities and power plants to kitchens that serve over 18,000 meals daily. The crew operates 24/7, ensuring that flight operations, maintenance, and ship security run smoothly. The U.S. Navy currently has 11 active aircraft carriers, more than any other country in the world. This dominance gives the U.S. military a global presence, allowing them to respond quickly to any crisis, anywhere on the planet. These carriers are heavily defended, designed to survive missile attacks, torpedoes, and even nuclear threats. They operate alongside escort ships, submarines, and advanced radar systems to ensure their safety. Aircraft carriers have come a long way since the first U.S. Navy carrier, the USS Langley, was commissioned in 1922. Today's carriers use advanced radar and combat systems, like the Aegis combat system, to provide real-time threat analysis and defense capabilities. The radar systems on these carriers can track hundreds of miles of airspace, giving the crew unmatched situational awareness. But the role of these carriers goes beyond just combat. They are also used to provide humanitarian aid in disaster-stricken regions. The large hospital facilities aboard can treat thousands of people, and their helicopters can deliver aid in areas where other forms of transportation can't reach. The next generation of aircraft carriers will be even more advanced, with capabilities like stealth technology, drone launch capabilities, and even directed energy weapons like lasers. A single U.S. Navy aircraft carrier costs more than $13 billion to build, but its value goes far beyond construction costs. These supercarriers are strategic assets that project military power and maintain global influence. From launching fighter jets at sea to projecting military power across the world, U.S. Navy aircraft carriers are an engineering marvel. These floating fortresses are the backbone of naval operations, ensuring that no matter where conflict arises, the U.S. is ready to respond. If you enjoyed this dive into the power of U.S. Navy aircraft carriers, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more fascinating content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.